Good morning, Aluminum. Mrs. Davidson here. I am here with my nephew in Colorado, and he is going to be our guest reader today. Would you like to introduce yourself and tell them what you're reading?
I'm Ethan. And I'm gonna read Dogman.
Fetch 22.
Yo, Snoops, it's your old buddies George and Harold. Sup? We just started first grade. We just started 6th grade a few months ago. My, how time flies. Now that we're grown-ups, we've got some work to do. So we're cleaning out our treehouse. Yep, we're getting rid of all this kid stuff to make room for grown-up stuff. When I was a child, I spoke like a child. Goodbye, Super Diaper Baby comics. I thought like a child. So long, Chubs McSpiderbutt, action figures, and accessories. I reasoned like a child. Farewell, homemade pizza, bought of doom playset. But when I grew up, I put away childish things. Plop. Wah. Wah. I don't want to be a grown-up. Me neither. Let's be kids forever. Okay. And so, farewell, Chubs McSpiderbutt. You can't survive my juice spots of woo-wee pew pew. Pow. Not so fast. Ambassador. Baby head. Pow pow. Pew pew. No. 5th grade. Oh yes, 6th grade party. Untrue 2. Untrue number 2. Oh, while we continue our pursuit of extremely maturity, please enjoy our latest foray in the super sophistication.
Awesome. All right. John.
What? What are you doing?
Now it's your turn to go read the rest of the book.
Now it's your turn to read the rest of the book.